So I am 5 minutes away from LA Finch Fabrics. I got to the store and the door was closed, and I waited for a few minutes because I was a little bit early. After about 5-10 minutes, I decided to get out, and I walked up to the door and it was closed, and I was like, no. So I went back to my car, and they have a cell phone number on their website. And so I sent a text message and I was like, hey, I thought you were going to be open at this time. And the person responded back and said they would be there shortly. So I just decided to run to the store and grab something to eat. I just got like some pineapples and a bottle of water because I was really thirsty. And now I am on my way back. The person actually sent me a text, which I thought was so kind, and they let me know that they were there now, and if I was in the area, that I can come back. So I was like, okay. Yeah! So I'm gonna go here and check out LA Finch Fabrics. I'm really excited. I'm in the city of Long Beach. I was trying to remember if I've ever purchased anything from LA Finch. I've been to the website several times, but I don't think that I've ever purchased anything. So hopefully I will get something today. I thought the shop was just so cute and adorable. There were fabrics on the wall, and then there were fabrics in the front here at the counter, and then independent patterns also on the wall. There were plenty of rayon fabrics, and then bags and bags of different types of remnants. So this is a tub that is a bunch of different remnants, and they are about $1.50, I think she said. They're different fabrics, different sizes, different widths. And then these bags, she said, are like free. I'm like, what? Are you kidding? So yeah, I might be here for a while. I actually sat down on the floor so that I can go through all of the different fabrics. I was the only one in the shop, and I took my time to look through everything to decide what I wanted. I truly enjoyed my experience and my time at LA Finch Fabrics. I went in there and I sat on the floor, and I just got really comfortable going through all the fabric. And this little bag is just so cute. It has the fabric in it that I purchased, and I think the bag is like adorable. It's simple but so cute. So I have 4 things that I want to share with you. First, I will start out with this garment here that I talked about in my last video. I used some leftover scrap fabric to drape on this dress form to come up with this jacket top situation. This was my first time using scraps in denim to come up with a self-drafted garment. The last time I shared this, it wasn't finished. So what I did this time is I finished the neckline with some bias tape. I added this front separating zipper, which this is the zipper that I got in the mail on one of my previous videos when I was waiting for the zipper to come in the mail. And it came in, and I didn't use it, but I was able to use it here. And the other thing that I did was I added some elastic to the back just to kind of cinch this area in a little bit. And this is the final look. So I will show you what this looks like on. And the next garment that I made is this top here. This is by Friday Pattern Company. It is the Sagebrush top. And I believe this fabric is rayon. I actually made this, I think it was last year, but I thought this would be the perfect time to share it with you because it's kind of summery. And the features, it has elastic in the sleeve area. There is a split in the back at the neck edge, and then it ties. My ties are a little short. And then the sleeves are gathered on. And what else? There's something else. Oh, the ruffle. There's this ruffle in the front. want to share with you the fabric. So I picked up this wool tweed looking fabric. It's really nice. It has like little specks of red and blue and gold. So I like that. And the second piece that I picked up is this knit. I like this blue. And not sure what I'm going to make with either of these fabrics, but I like them, and so I'm glad that they came home with me. I love sharing products with you that I think are like really cool. So I like making iced tea, and I was taking a pot and putting water in it and then putting it on the stove and then boiling the water and pouring it into a plastic pitcher until the plastic pitcher cracked. Of course, I wasn't even thinking that it couldn't take the heat. But since then, I found this little guy, and I think it's so cute because it's not too tall. It's like the perfect little size. And what I really love about it is you can put the water in here and put this directly on the burner and just boil your water right inside of here. So I love that. So this is my newest purchase from Amazon. And if you're interested, I will put a link in the bottom in the description and you can check it out. It's been making me like really, really happy.